Museum of Prosciutto and Cured Meats, an episode of the 10 museums devoted to food culture. If you think a museum devoted to ham sounds frivolous, you've obviously never been to Italy. Italians, especially those from the region of Emilia-Romagna, take prosciutto as a point of cultural pride. The tradition and techniques for curing pork legs go back to Roman antiquity. The recipe has been fine-tuned throughout centuries, but it's the location of Parma, specifically the climate, that makes this museum more than just an interesting food story. Exhibitions explore the history of prosciutto and the unique microclimate in Parma that imparts the distinct flavor that cannot be attained anywhere else. Wine blogger Jennifer Martin describes the prosciutto making exhibition on her blog, Vino Travels. Thankfully, the museum visit also includes a tasting. Museum of Prosciutto and Cured Meats of Parma. Via Bacchialini, 7 Langhirano, PR. Hours: March 1 to 8 of December, Saturday, Sunday and holidays, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Admission: €4.